Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) Atiku Abubakar has assured Niger Deltans of a new deal in governance if he is elected as the next president of Nigeria. Atiku Abubakar, who gave the assurance at a PDP presidential campaign rally recently in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa state capital, said his government will summon the political will to restructure the Nigerian Federation and enthrone fiscal federalism to allow for equity and fairness in resource allocation amongst the federating units of Nigeria.
In continuation of his nationwide campaign, PDP presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar recently visited Yenagoa, the Bayelsa state capital, where he was received by a mammoth crowd. At the Oxbow Lake venue of the presidential campaign, Atiku unveiled a 5-point agenda articulated to rescue Nigeria from socio-economic and political doldrums. The former vice president said top on his agenda was a framework to unite the country, which had been seriously divided along ethnic, religious and political lines. He said under his government, all parts of the country, including Bayelsa State, would be given a sense of belonging.
For those people who have decamped from APC to PDP, we assure you that we will continue to uplift the living conditions of the people of this country and to protect everybody and give everybody a sense of belonging and your constitutional rights.
Atiku said his 5-point agenda has a program designed for the restructuring of the Nigerian Federation. In restructuring the Nigerian Federation, he had underscored the need to enthrone fiscal federalism that would guarantee more equitable distribution of resources to federating units of the country. The presidential hopeful assured Niger Deltans that as producers of the bulk of the nation's wealth, they stand to benefit immensely from his economic policies if elected president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Finally, we propose to restructure this country. You people in the Niger Delta need more restructuring than any other part of this country. We will give you more resources and more powers to deal with your problems. You don't have to always start begging the federal government, come and do this for us, come and do that for us, when you are actually producing the resources of the country. So we will devolve more powers and more resources to you people in the Niger Delta. These are the key areas of our developmental programs.
Earlier, Bayelsa State Governor Senator Diri observed that since the commencement of the campaigns last year, only the PDP presidential candidate had committed himself unequivocally to issues of restructuring and fiscal federalism, which have been at the heart of the Niger Delta struggle over the years. Governor Diri therefore enjoined Niger Deltans to vote massively for Atiku and other candidates of the PDP in the forthcoming general elections.
What the young people want, what the girls want, what the Bayelsa people want. We have been talking about resource control. Atiku is the only candidate and has talked about resource control. Atiku is the only candidate and has talked about restructuring of this country. And therefore, PDP and Atiku are the only party and candidates that the young people should know.
At the just concluded presidential campaign rally in Yenagoa, National Chairman of the PDP, Senator Iyorchia Ayu, received 1,263 decampees from the All Progressives Congress, APC. The decampees, led by Warman Ogoriba, promised to throw their full weight behind Atiku to ensure his electoral victory come February 25th, 2023.
Inside the Niger Delta,